Welcome to raw timber. No safety nets, no second takes. Just steel, torque, and machines built to dominate wood. You blink and it's already over. This beast tears through entire trees like paper. The CBI 6,000, 400 tons, steps in with pure authority, 150 horsepower, driving a two-pocket chipper rotor that never hesitates. Non-stop chips, insane fuel efficiency, and a clean cut that leaves nothing behind but pride in a job done right. Turning waste into power, the Starchel chipper chews through wooden pallets and spits out fuel-ready material. This machine isn't just muscle, it's proof that destruction can build something better. Maybe its time machines helped us create instead of only tearing things down. Watch the UH4800 go to work. Its multi-cut system crushes trees effortlessly fast, efficient, and built for serious production where downtime is not an option. Efficiency at its finest. This Firewood processor cuts and splits in one continuous motion, turning hours of back-breaking labor into minutes. Imagine having this kind of power on your side when winter hits. That Beauregard debarker looks brutal for a reason. It strips pine logs all day without slowing down. Logging isn't just about machines, it supports entire industries, communities, and daily life. And when forests are managed right, they grow stronger, healthier, and less prone to wildfires. An old-school bus, once filled with laughter, now meets the steel grip of a claw. Not for scrap, but for rebirth. Metal becomes bridges, tools, homes. Even broken things can build the future. So what's the secret to perfectly clean split logs? The Petzolato RS11 answers that question by automatically removing debris, delivering firewood that's clean, uniform, and ready to sell. The Woodbine Pro earns its place on job sites everywhere: landscapers, tree crews, and forestry operations that need reliability, not excuses. Destruction leads to renewal. Recycling metal waste reduces landfill pressure and saves energy. It's not a trend, it's responsibility. Ever wonder where all those wood chips go? They don't disappear. They power energy plants, heat cities, and fuel industries. What starts as backyard cleanup ends up driving the grid. Speed matters. This branch logger tears through 200-millimeter logs in seconds. Compact, powerful, and built to save time, fuel, and your spine. Down in Georgia, a Petzolato firewood system shows what modern semi-automatic technology really looks like. Designed for American industrial demand, it handles logs up to 700 millimeters wide without flinching. Cutting groups strike, horizontal splitters crush, vertical splitters finish the giants. Clean wood flows out, debris drops away, nonstop production, no wasted motion. Shredding isn't chaos, it's transformation. Scrap becomes resource, waste becomes value, and the planet breathes easier. Picture this machine working inside a massive sawmill. A few cuts and you've got enough material for furniture, flooring, or an entire home. Imagine a firewood mill deep in the forest. This branch logger devours logs so fast your back never has to suffer again. The Dopstat SM1200 sorts hundreds of cubic meters per hour with surgical precision. Mountains of perfect firewood, ready for anything. Rotating blades tear through metal, plastic, and tough waste, accelerating recycling and redefining waste management itself. The KSXU-350 handles both standard firewood and fine kindling. One machine, multiple outputs, built for reliability, not gimmicks. If you're enjoying this, hit like, share, and subscribe. Raw Timber runs on real support. That track Petzolato PTH 1000, 200 over 1000 M, rolls in with a 600 horsepower Scania engine. Mobile, brutal, versatile. From brush to hardwood, it adapts and keeps moving. An excavator fitted with a grab head doesn't negotiate with stumps. It dominates them. No root too deep, no branch too wild. Every year, millions of vehicles are retired. Industrial shredders turn that problem into raw material. This isn't destruction, it's the backbone of modern recycling. Sure, a standard chainsaw might look faster, until volume matters, until fatigue sets in. Machines like this don't get tired. Hundreds of logs processed in minutes. Firewood stacked, ready, and clean without hauling misery. The woodpecker RP 300 tears through timber with hardened blades and relentless rhythm. Let it do the heavy lifting. Mid-speed shredders like the Terex TDS 520 chew through debris with twin-shaft torque. Sustainable handling isn't coming, it's already here. Questions matter. How does a stump crusher handle American hardwood? Will it survive 500 stumps in mixed soil? Real work demands real answers. Combo machines, like the Dopstat DZ 750 grind and shred in one system, saving time, fuel, and money. And when massive excavators aren't an option, even compact ATV backhoes step up. Agile, portable, and brutally effective.